Ever wondered how to properly clean your Dyson vacuum? Well, it's not as complicated as it might seem. Today, we'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be a pro at keeping your Dyson vacuum in tip-top shape. First off, it's important to unplug your vacuum before you start cleaning. Safety comes first, after all. Now let's get to it. The first step involves removing and cleaning the filters. Most Dyson vacuums have two filters, one pre-motor filter and one post-motor filter. Simply locate them and take them out. Rinse them under cold water until the water runs clear. Remember, never use detergent or put them in the dishwasher. Just plain cold water will do the job. Once they're clean, leave them to air dry for at least 24 hours. Make sure they're completely dry before putting them back in the vacuum. Next up is the dust bin. Press the button to release the bin from the vacuum. Hold it over a trash can and press the release catch to empty it. An interesting fact, Dyson recommends not to clean the bin with water. However, if it's really dirty, you can wipe it with a damp cloth and let it dry completely before attaching it back. Now, onto the brush bar. This is the part of the vacuum that can collect a lot of hair and debris. To clean it, you need to remove it first. Use a coin to unlock it and then pull it out. Once it's out, simply cut away any hair or threads wrapped around it. Be careful not to damage the bristles. Finally, give the exterior a good wipe down. A damp cloth will do the trick. Ensure the vacuum is completely dry before you use it again. To summarize, cleaning your Dyson vacuum involves 4 main steps. First, remove and clean the filters with cold water and let them dry for at least a day. Second, empty the dustbin and wipe it clean if necessary. Third, remove and clean the brush bar, and finally, wipe down the exterior. Regular maintenance of your Dyson vacuum not only keeps it performing at its best, but also extends its life. And there you have it. A simple guide to keeping your Dyson vacuum clean and running smoothly. So the next time your Dyson needs a little TLC, you know exactly what to do.